Good morning. There's the moon. Today, losing my voice. Today's QIA. Yeah, it's almost 7. We're leaving at 7. It's a chilly morning this morning. Are you ready? Come on. Alright, the sun is about to come up over the mountain. It's 7:10. We're in our vehicles, ready to roll. I'm gonna put on my sunglasses. We're rolling. Oh. Yeah, I put on my sunglasses because I woke up at 1 o'clock this morning and I never went back to sleep. So I'm a little tired today. That's okay. We'll get to QIA and get busy and sell lots of books and talk to lots of people. It'll be fun. And then we're gonna go to lunch and then I can sleep. But last night we were talking about when we're gonna get back to home base, and I don't know what I was thinking, but I need to go to Texas, and I still have my place in Texas, so I need to go there and mow and take care of stuff there. And started looking, I thought, if we keep the schedule that we're on right now, I'm not going to get to Texas till April. It's going to be hot. So last night we're scrambling, trying to figure out new plans and routes and what we're doing, how long we're staying, and I'm going to go, and Deborah's going to go. I mean, and I woke up at 1 and I was just like, ugh. The thought of having to leave, because we kind of left it last night that I would leave here and just go to Texas from here. We were going to go to a few places and stay 4 or 5 days and kind of just make our way back to home base slowly. So it got pushed up, ramped up, and I woke up, I was like, oh my gosh, I had high anxiety at 1 o'clock in the morning thinking about driving to Texas and getting there in a window of time before it gets really hot there. Everybody's leaving. It's time to head out. It's gotten too warm. Except today it's chilly. But in a few more days it's going to be back in the 90s. So it is time to go. But today, QIA. Well, it is 4 o'clock. Well, 4:12. Hi, Sammy. And I filmed us going to QIA today, and that was about it. I didn't do any filming today. QIA was busy. It was a good turnout. Lots of people. Deborah did good on sales. And then a bunch of us went to go eat lunch. And that was fun. And now we're headed back to camp. So, the end. It's like, sometimes. Did you just say we're off to see the wizard?
We're off to see the wizard. The wonderful wizard of Cassandra Longman.
And now I'm like, why do we always say we're off to see the wizard when we leave here?
I don't know. We do though.
I don't know either, but yeah. Today is Sunday. We leave on Tuesday, so we're going to go hang out at Beer Belly's for a little bit. And Cassandra Longband's playing, so we want to say hi and bye to them for the end of the season.
And happy early birthday to Dan.
Yeah, because we're going to miss his birthday. But heat and wind dictates when we leave. Wind is good. weather's good, we gotta go.
Mother Nature wins again.
Yeah, so.
Always.
Yeah, you gotta watch your weather and travel accordingly. So that's what we're doing. Leaving early. We weren't leaving until what, the 16th?
Yeah, I think the 16th. And yeah.
But you look at the weather and it's gonna be in the 90s.
Well, it'll be 100 next week.
Next week?
Yeah. So we're not sticking around for that. And we'll have other people joining us today too.
Yeah. So we are headed to Beer Bellies. Well, I'm gonna drop her off and I'm gonna go dump and get water, and I gotta go to the grocery store one last time before we leave. I need creamer and get Sammy some food so I can cook for her tomorrow. Yeah, so I don't have to do it on the road. Alright, let's go have some fun. And today I am at a different field. I think this is called RV Relief. And they don't have it on there. Anyway, I've already dumped and now I'm getting water.
You filming us, filming you, filming us?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's funny.
And so that was the bonding starting there. Oh, that's so cool. And
Baby, come back! Baby, kind of
There's my designated driver. Yep, it got 84 outside. It was 79 inside.
In the camper.
Yeah, in the camper. So the babies were fine, but we're going home now.
And we always knew we were gonna head out when the thermometer hit 84. That was our cue.
Yeah, Deborah had the temperature up on her phone the whole time so we could watch. And so it's just 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, we figured we'd leave at 2. It gets too hot in there for the babies. So now we're gonna go sit outside the shade. Right?
Yes, we sure will.
This is my DD.
Your DD.
My Deborah Dickinson. I mean my designated driver.
Deborah Dickinson. Does that make me D quad?
Yes, instead of D squared, you're D quad. Finn, what are you
He
doing?
still has his leash on.
I know, I'm sorry, I didn't take it off. Nope, taking a video. Good morning. Look, the tent's down. Yeah, today is the day. We leave tomorrow. So today we're packing everything up. Tent's coming down, tarps up, walk around, make sure everything's... I start talking and Sammy starts barking. Hi, Sammy. She says, why am I over here and you're over there? Yeah, I'll be there a minute, okay? Yeah, so... I am in the process. Ooh, here comes the sun out from behind the cloud. So, gonna get this all put up back in that little bag. Get up the tarp and then see what else. I got a few things out I need to put up. So, today is packing up day. All right, got the tarp. Ooh, don't trip and fall. It's treacherous out here with these rocks. All right. Tent stake. Tent stake. I saw a little part of... Where is it? I don't even know if it was right here. One of the little plastic orange pieces. Do y'all see it? There it is. Trash. What is it, Ben? Don't take my rug. Don't take my rug. There's Luna.
Luna's like, what's going on, man? Plus years, and I've never checked it.
That's because mine didn't have one in my old one. Well, boy, the wind's blowing out there. It's getting hot and the wind's blowing. Oh, I forgot to buy Diet Coke yesterday when I was in town, and we're gonna be on the road for the next 5 days. So, and we're not doing a Walmart pickup till Thursday, and today's Monday. Yeah, I can't go that long without a Diet Coke. So I am running back into town, and I got a bunch of stuff that I need to throw away. That tarp I was parked on since my valves were leaking. Yeah, that was all nasty. So we're throwing that tarp away. Bunch of boxes that we kept in case we wanted to burn them. Yeah, so I'm making a trash run. And one benefit is our last fried chicken from Coyote Fresh with broccoli salad. Yeah. It's like, oh, going to town. Should we get pizza or chicken? Yeah. Oh, we could get pizza. Oh, well. I gotta go to Coyote Fresh anyway to get Diet Coke. So, might as well get chicken while we're there. Huh. That's right. Sammy. That's right, Sammy. Alright. Okay, I had some work done on my camper. So this is what it looks like. This is real life. So, you know, I have these plastic drawers that go right here. Well, I had to get under here because my fuses are under here. I had some electrical work done. And then this side of the couch, there's my batteries, there's my MPPT controller, solar controller, electrical, water. Yeah. So I have my art basket there, and then I've got another basket full of stuff there. So all that has to come up, and it all ends up right there. Yeah, the cushions to the couch. So, and then I went to the grocery store, so I had to put stuff up there. Yeah, so my house is a little... Sammy, you're gonna have to move, baby. So now I've got to put these back down here, put the drawers back in them, put it all back together. And Sammy's like, I want up on the bed. You can't get up there, baby girl. You can't get up there. Yeah, I need to do dishes. This is all before we leave in the morning. Yeah. Here's real life for you. I need to turn on my hot water heater. Ooh, are we going to get some rain on our last night here in Quartzsite? Might just happen. Look at those clouds. It's been a beautiful day. Been a little windy, but not too bad. Wow, you can really see the highline wires. Can't usually see them when the sun's just blaring down. Yeah, can you see them? It's cool. That's cool. Yep, everybody's leaving. One left, one of those back there left today. One left a few days ago. Yeah. Got everything from the outside put in except my propane tank, and I'll load that in the morning. I'll load my steps in the morning. And tent's down. I gotta load the chairs. I guess we're leaving a bunch of firewood for the next person, or oh, I gotta get my grill. Gotta get my chairs, my grill. Deborah's all loaded up. Gotta get my grill. It's sprinkling. We're gonna have to go in.
I'm waiting to see.
It's sprinkling.
Maybe.
Yeah,
I don't
that's
want your
cold.
chairs to get wet either. You don't want to pack up wet chairs for the road.
Are you happy? You happy? Huh? You ready to go? Get out of Quartzsite? You got somewhere else? Little nomad dog. Ooh. It might actually storm a little bit.
Yeah, it's raining.
It's raining big time, huh, Finn? Did it wake you up, that wind? He says, yeah, I did. Do you know what it is? He said, yes, I used to live on the streets. I know what rain is. See the rainbow? There's one end of it. Can't see up there. There's the other end of it. Ah. It's still raining. It's been about 20, 30 minutes. Ooh, getting a puddle. Now you can see it. The full rainbow.